This is just
Yeah,
I'm giving you some tips because when you write in the Eclipse, right? So it will save the time. So interviewer having the more time to ask the question. Understood, right?
okay.
So interviewer having the very less time. Okay. So next time you can open both IDE also and Notepad. Prepare IDE because it is a fast, right? As compared to writing the Notepad. If they will say, hey, can you write in the Notepad? Then we can prepare Notepad. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Tell me about yourself and do not disclose your company. Okay. And highlight your primary skill and secondary skill. Okay.
Okay.
You can start. Yes.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Abhishek, and I have 8.9 years of experience. I have worked in, started my career with the TCS, and now I'm working in Capgemini. And I started my career with manual testing. Later, I switched to automation testing.
Mm-hmm.
This is progress what I have done. And coming to work-wise, I worked as a manual tester, and there I was being a part of some team where we were done and delivered many PRs of the requirements. I worked in a waterfall model. We have done the system integration testing, the system testing, functional testing. These are the various testings we have done, and we have supported the customers in QA team. This is in waterfall model we have done. Later, I moved to the Capgemini and I worked in automation. In that automation, we have followed the agile methodologies.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to the Java, Selenium, and Cucumber, little bit knowledge I have in TestNG. And I started learning SQL, little bit on Unix and a database, and Jenkins, little bit knowledge I have.
Okay, Abhishek. So I just need to confirm what is relevant experience in automation and manual testing.
Manual testing I have 4 years and relevant I have 3.2 years.
In automation,
9 years.
3.9 year means around 4 year you have also worked in
Yeah.
automation, correct, right? So
Yes, correct.
just I need in your current project, what is your contribution in your automation?
Okay. In my current project, whatever the story comes in the whatever the story comes in the Jira, okay, we assign the story points in the grooming sections. Okay. Once they push the stories to the QA environment, we'll work on that story and we'll start building the script. Once the build script has been built, okay, we run that scripts and we share the results to the larger audience. And prior to release, we do the regression and we do the maintenance work as well. And we assign the story points to the maintenance. We create a story for that and we assign the story points to that. This is my
So
roles and responsibilities.
so in your current project, right? So are you are defining the story? So those stories, like, do you have existing framework, or you are involved to developing the framework, or you are writing the script?
Yeah, yes, I am being a part of a team where the framework was developed. I have little bit idea on the how the framework is built. Okay, and personally, I have developed my own framework in my personal space. Okay, for my help purpose. And in my project, we have the skeleton was there. Okay, skeleton was built for Cucumber. We have used that and we have developed our test cases.
Okay, so I think you worked on the Java, right?
Yes, correct.
So how will you rate out of 5 in Java? Like out of 5, how will you rate yourself in Java?
I think 3.5.
3.5, right? Okay. So in Java, how you can define polymorphism concept?
Yeah, polymorphism means having the many forms. Is the concept of method overloading and method overwriting. Okay, and overloading and overwriting we do to attain the polymorphism.
Okay. So I will make you the host. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write one piece of the code for overriding. Okay, you can write for the code for the overriding. Are you able to share the screen? If you're not, I will create a host, make a host. Okay, so I have made the host. You are able to share the screen. Can you share or can you write the code for overriding? Are you able to share? Okay, yeah, fine. I think it's- so take any editor what you are comfortable with, and if you have a Eclipse or anything, any editor you can take, no issue. Okay. If you have a Eclipse also, okay, fine. You can write here, no problem. Okay. And while writing the code, you will also not have a silence. Okay. Write it and slowly you can explain to the interviewer. Okay. So simply we cannot silently write the code. Understood?
Okay. Okay,
So
sure.
this is the good communication between the interviewer and candidate. Okay. So what you are writing, oh, I
Okay.
am writing the class A, then I'm going to create like that. So this is the one thing you have to take care. Okay. You have to write the code for overriding. Okay.
Now, see, what I have done is I created a class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In that class, I am creating the method.
Okay.
Okay.
In overriding, can we use a static method?
And it will be, sorry, it will be
Yes.
method
In
ID.
yeah, method overriding. Only we have a static. You can write SYSO, that is also fine. Here we are not going to execute the code. I just need a snapshot for this code. It is also fine. Okay, no problem. And
Now I'm writing the
yeah,
child class. Okay. That
and
child class
okay, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
is extending B.
Mhm. So it must having
Okay.
the two classes, right? So within the
Yeah,
one
correct.
class, we cannot implement
Yeah,
the overriding concept. Okay.
yes, correct.
Mhm.
We should have the two classes. This is class A is a parent class,
Mhm.
and the class B is extending the class A.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Here I'll write the same method. And I'll provide the whatever the implementation is there. Logic I'll write here.
Okay.
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 Then
How to access this method?
we have to instantiate
Mm-hmm.
the B class.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can access it.
Okay. Sorry, what you have created public class new?
I'm creating one more class here. Okay.
You are creating test runner class?
One more class. Not
What is
runner class.
main method, right?
New class. Just, yeah, main method.
No. The question is why you are writing new?
Okay. I can see name of the
So
class.
new is a keyword in Java. Okay, so we cannot write class name, right? So these are the keywords. So keyword we cannot use like this. Okay, you have to write the proper name. Okay, you can write a shortcut, that is fine. No need to write. And one more thing, when you are writing in the editor, right, write the shortcuts. If they will ask you, just write public p static void main like this. Okay, and that. So what happened, you know, here you can save the time. Okay, and better, you can also open your IDE. Understood, right? This is just,
Yeah.
I'm giving you some tips, because when you write in the Eclipse, right, so it will save the time. So interviewer having the more time to ask the question. Understood, right? So interviewer having the very less time. Okay, so next time you can open both IDE also and Notepad. Prepare IDE because it is a fast, right, as compared to writing the Notepad. If they will say, hey, can you write in the Notepad, then we can prepare Notepad. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so which method will execute here?
Okay.
If you will access a.m1, which method will execute?
A.m1.
Oh yeah, so which method will execute?
Child class method. Creating for
It is a child class method will execute. Sorry, your voice is bit breaking. Yeah.
Okay. Then if we dot A1,
No. First,
yes.
when you are writing a, sorry, your voice was breaking. I'm not able to hear you.